The late Senator Bukar Abba Ibrahim took office on 29th May 1999 for a first term of 4 years and was re-elected to serve a second term from 29th May 2003 to 29th May 2007. The late Senator Bukar Abba Ibrahim was a committed leader and a dedicated politician and public servant who contributed immensely to the development of Yobe State and indeed Nigeria. During his tenure as governor between 1999 and 2007, Yobe State witnessed significant progress in various sectors, including education, infrastructure, health, and agriculture. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I have two prayers. One, to observe a minute's silence in honor of the deceased. Two, to send a high-powered delegation to pay a condolence visit to the family, the people, and government of Yobe State.
Prayer one is to observe a minute's silence in his honor. Those who are in support of this prayer say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Prayer two, to send a high-powered delegation to pay condolence to the family and the good people of and government of Yobe State. Those who are in support of prayer two say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. I must point out that the late Senator Bukar Abba Ibrahim, commander of the Order of Niger, was very well known to me. I served with him in one of the Senate sessions, and in the 8th Senate, and was an excellent gentleman, a very jovial gentleman, and I don't want to mention the other aspect. He was also a man who enjoyed good jokes. Passed on 2 days ago. And now that the Senate has approved the two prayers, I urge us to rise for a minute's silence in his honor.